Hi everyone, Sean Wassell here. We've come quite a long way in creating our note sharing application so far, and the next thing that we're going to take a look at here is, wouldn't it be great if users of our application could share their notes with others just by sending them a link, right? This is something that I refer to as link sharing, and it's a pretty common feature in many different sites, including sites like Google Sheets. So what we're going to be taking a look at here today is how to enable this functionality in our note sharing application, right? How can we rewrite our server logic a little bit and our data in such a way that users will be able to view a note just by having that link? That's what we're going to be talking about here today, and it's really going to help us delve deep into some of the finer points of user permissions and data protection. So without further ado, let's jump right in and see how all this works.